Boleh record. Assalamualaikum and greetings to our lecturer, Madam Johanna. My name is Muhammad Iqbal Amir and my group mate is Raja Muhammad Zuhaimi and Ahmad Shamir. Today we will do our oral presentation about online learning is the best mode of education. Now let's start with introduction. For introduction, in year of 2020, as per we know, the whole of the world has been faced the outbreak of new virus called COVID-19. As a prevention measure, the government of Malaysia has been implemented the Movement Control Order MCO to break the COVID-19 infection chain. The Movement Control Order made the movement of people are limited. To overcome the problem, most of college or university has been implemented the online learning for their students. There are several important things about online learning. First, I want to say the online learning is one of the tools for us towards to Industrial Revolution 4.0, IR 4.0. In IR 4.0, one of the component is IoT, Internet of Things. Second is readiness of online learning. Before we can implement the 100% online learning in education institution, we need to be ready in terms of resources such as the availability of computer and internet connection. Lastly is student adaptation in online learning. For information, there is some student need time to adapt with new style of learning. The style of online learning is different with the traditional physical learning because the online learning requires a good internet connection to do many things such as lecture season, submission of tests, and others. Now, I will pass to my group mate, Raja Muhammad Zahmi. Raja?
Right. Thank you, my teammate Iqbal. So, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed colleague and fellow learners, today, right now we divide into a vital aspect of modern education, online learning. Our exploration reveals two sides, each with its unique opportunities and challenges. First, let's address concern about online learning. There's worry that is reduced face-to-face engagement and communication among students. A study by Muhammad Adnan and Kainan Anwar in 2020 found that students mainly interact through screen and chat. This shift from in-person to online limits real-time discussion that deepen connection. Online learning also offer fewer change for group activities and collaborative project. These activities not only enhance learning, but also build interpersonal skills. Additionally, online courses structured nature can reduce spontaneous discussion. Additionally, such discussion can spark creativity and problem solving. Thus, the decline in face-to-face interaction and group activities might affect student communication abilities. It's essential to consider these challenges for a holistic education. Now, let's shift to the positive side of online learning. Focusing on enhanced connectivity in 2021, Shura highlight that online online learners use various communication channels, chat, email, and virtual video conferencing. These tools facilitate dynamic interaction, enabling students to connect, share ideas, and engage in discussion regardless of distance. Online learners also benefit introvert learners. It provides a friendly environment where introvert feel encouraged to participate. The absence of physical presence lessens social pressure, ensuring every student's voice is heard. Furthermore, online learning use visual tools like chat platform, discussion forum, peer evaluation, and multimedia resources. These tools create a vibrant and inclusive learning environment promoting diverse forms of engagement. So in summary, online learning breaks geographical barriers and nurtures a dynamic and inclusive educational experience. So with this, I pass to my partner to explain for the next slide, Ahmad Shamil.
Thank you, Raja Muhammad Zalmi. Assalamualaikum and good afternoon, everyone. Before we go into deep into it, I would like to tell you about challenge that students face while having an online learning, which is the present of distraction in the surrounding environment. Firstly, noise distraction can significantly impact a student's ability to concentrate and may find it challenging to find a peaceful environment where they can fully engage the study, especially for students who live in crowded or noisy household where there might be a background noise from family members or pets. Next, with online learning, there is also a greater chance for students to be easily distracted by a social media or the other side. Like example, we have Facebook, WhatsApp, and YouTube. Also, the proximity to personal responsibilities also can be a significant distraction for online learner, especially if they have family commitments, household chore, or other responsibility that demand their attention. However, there is some advantage while having an online learning. The advantages while having an online learning is it can offer flexibility in time and space when having an online learning mode. Students can access their courses from anywhere with an internet connection. For this reason, students can easily balance their commitments and study from the comfort of their preferred environment. And last but not least, online learning provide the learner with the freedom to tailor their education to their own need. This flexibility makes online learning a convenient and accessible mode of learning. In short, flexibility in time and space allows students to focus better on the coursework and maximize productivity. That's all from me. I would like to pass to Mr. Iqbal for the next presentation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Ahmad Shameh. Now, the cost for online learning is we need to subscribe the internet plan that have a good internet connection and enough cellular data that will be cost about 8, 80 ringgit to 100 ringgit per month, and online learning is also require us to have a proper computer device to cope with online learning that will be cost around 1,500 to 2,500. Now, Now I will talk about how online learning can save the cost more. By online learning, the student does not require to travel for the class season. When we don't have to travel, then it will be safe for the students in terms of fuel costs, accommodation costs, and vehicle maintenance costs. Now I can conclude that online learning could save the student in terms of cost and time, because by online learning, we can attend the class everywhere we are. Besides, online learning are opportunity to students to learn more about online communication tools such as Zoom, Jamboard, and others. And the last one is online learning is an opportunity of introvert students because online learning not involved in mass gathering in a class. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.